Assalamualaikum. We love mommy and daddy too.
Wow!
We love our friends and we love you. Yay! We've got love for everyone. Oh, oh, Omar and Hana. Come on and play with us. Dream with us. Wow, that's amazing. Alhamdulillah. Together we will have fun. Oh, oh, Omar and Hana. I want to be. Help! Help! There's a thief! My shop is on fire! Help!
Fantastic!
Wow! Awesome!
My mom and I made it last night.
Superb! Detective Nuru, reporting for duty.
What seems to be the problem here?
Wow! Nice suit, Nuru!
Thanks.
All aboard!
Huh?
Come on, guys! Career Day is about to start!
Yay!
Nice costume, Omar.
Oh, thanks, Lisa. What are you again? I'm an artist. We're going to see you on TV and in movies?
Oh, Omar's gonna be a superstar.
You guys, those are celebrities, actors, singers. What Omar meant was an artist who draws and paints. Right, Omar?
You got that right. Art is my passion. I draw what I see, and I paint to my heart's content.
Interesting.
Okay, class. Clap once. Clap twice. Clap 3 times. Great! Are you all ready for Career Day?
Yes, Miss Laila!
Alhamdulillah, I'm excited too. So I'm going to call on each one of you to come up to the front and tell everyone what you want to be when you grow up. Is that clear?
Clear as a bell.
Now, shall we start with Sarah?
When I grow up, I want to make the world a better place to stay. There would be no more litter nor pollution, I'd say. She wants to make the world a better place to stay. There would be no more litter, no pollution, I'd say. Clean, neat, tidy, that's my top priority. Clean, neat, tidy, that's her top priority.
Excellent! Great job, Sarah! Next up, Nuru. What say you?
Detective Nuru, reporting for duty. I want to be a detective in action, arresting criminals and do investigations. She wants to be a detective in action, arresting criminals and do investigations. Beware of vicious monsters and evildoers. Beware of vicious monsters and evildoers.
Wow! Over and out.
Well done, Nuru! You can make the world cleaner, and you can fight evildoers. You can make the world a safer place to stay. To Allah you must obey. Remember, class, as long as we do what Allah tells us to do, we can be...
Anything we want.
I want to help other people. Me too. Me too.
Subhanallah. Moving on.
I want to be a ship captain who cruising the waves high and low as far as I go. He wants to be a ship captain who cruising the waves high and low as far as I go. Transporting people from one place to another. Transporting people from one place to another. so hard, what a bummer.
At least it looks like bread.
Great job for that. No one started out a pro. We just learn more, improve ourselves as we grow.
I'll practice more and more and do better next time.
Inshallah. Next, Sufi.
I want to be a doctor like my late father, helping patients get better and be healthier. He wants to be a doctor like his late father, helping patients get better and be healthier. Help cure sickness and help to create wellness. Help cure sickness and help to create wellness.
Animals are so cute. I love animals very much. I will feed them, bathe them, and take care of them. I want to be a zookeeper.
I'm an expert when it comes to animals because I'm a zookeeper.
Did anyone say fire?
What? I said zookeeper. No.
Want to be a firefighter. You can count on me, and I'll be here.
Remember, class, when we take care of others, inshallah, Allah will take good care of us.
Wow!
Allah loves it when we take care of each other, be it patients, animals, and those who are in need. What Allah wants us to be. And last but not least, Omar.
What's wrong with him?
I don't know.
Omar, what's wrong?
I just realized that I don't know what I want to be when I grow up.
But you're all dressed up. Let me guess. You're an artist. Leonardo da Vinci?
Well, that was my dream. But what can an artist do? What do you mean? Well, for instance, Lisa would take good care of the animals. Sarah would make the world clean, neat, and tidy. People need Indra to sail the ship and venture the world. Nuru, Sufi, and Faris can be heroes and save the day. And without Hana, we would starve. Everyone contributes to something. But what can I do?
You can draw.
With your sketches, we could catch the thief and solve the crime.
And you can paint. Thanks to you, I would have the prettiest bakery ever.
You could design buildings.
Skyscrapers.
Mosques. Big mosques. Is it true that when people pray in those mosques, Omar would get heavenly rewards?
He sure would. Inshallah.
Really?
Subhanallah.
See, Omar? Be confident. You can follow your passion. Never underestimate your dreams, because every job has its own contribution. Make niyah just for Allah. Be confident.
Never underestimate
Your dreams, because
every job has its own roles.
be respectful.
Never underestimate
Others, because
every job has its own roles.
Lillahi ta'ala. I'm doing this for Allah. As long as we work to seek Allah's blessings, inshallah, He will grant us many rewards, both here and in the hereafter.